Okay, square root of a number. So the definition of square root of a number, it is a number. Remember, square root of a number must be a number. But if this number is multiplied with itself, giving you the original number, that's the definition. Square root of a number, for example, we are having 9. You see on the screen 9. Its a square root is a number when it is multiplied with itself, will give you the original.
9.
Yes, we have when square root. This is the symbol for square root. For example, we are having 9 and
9.
its answer is 3. This 3 is square root of 9 because when this 3 is multiplied with itself, yes, with itself, it will give you this exact the original number. That's the definition.
Yes.
Got it? Square root of a number.
Yes.
Okay,
Square root
sir.
of a number is a number. Square root of a number is a number. When which is multiplied
number
by
which
itself, giving
which is
giving you the
multiplied by-
original number. Yes,
It gives the original number.
let me take 25. 25 is the original number. So its square root will be a number when that number is multiplied
5.
by itself.
5 5s are.
Yes, yes, you are right. That's well.
557.
Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
For example, 9. If the answer is -3, so is it okay or not? Square root of 9.
Okay.
How?
Sir,
Because when this number is multiplied with itself, so minus and minus will become plus, and
Plus.
these are 9, so it is okay. Okay, good.
Yes.
So it means the square root of 9 is 3, because when 3 is multiplied with 3,
3.
this we can write as and will give you again 9. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and now a number like 9 whose square root is rational number is called perfect square. For example, if you are checking 18, so what is the answer of 18 square root? You cannot say that. I can write this 18 as, so you know the answer of this 9, which is 3, and it cannot be.
Sir, 324.
So it is not a rational number. It means when you take the square root of a number and that will.
Sir.
Yes, yes.
अगर रेशनल ना हो तो फिर हम नहीं करेंगे.
बिल्कुल, that will not be a perfect square. Rational को in simple words मैं इस तरह कहता हूँ कि if the answer is in whole number, if the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, so that will be a perfect square. And if you get the answer like this one, 2 square root 3, or the answer is 93 under the root, so this is not the rational. Okay, answer must be in whole numbers. If the answer is answer 0, 1, 2, 3 like these, so for example this 9 has answer 3, so yes, it is rational. If the answer is rational, that is said to be a perfect square. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In the next example, you will it will be clear to you. Okay. Who is this one? Do you know? This man. For example, this is Rehan Kazi.
And the other is Ikrash.
No, this is Rehana Kazi. Okay. There are two person, male Rehan Kazi and female that is Rehana Kazi. This is just a joke. The symbol for square root, you know, that I have already discussed. The symbol for square root is this one. That is also known as radical sign.
Radical
But
sign.
it may be 3,
Yes, sir.
4, 5 there. And if there is nothing, it means only square root. It is cubic root, fourth root, fifth root, but we are restricted to the square root. The symbol for square root is this one. And is used to indicate the non-negative or the square principal square root of the expression. Okay, let me check. You know that x square is what? Are you getting? Getting from Rehan Kazi to Rehana Kazi. That is 3. And Rehana Kazi will get x square. That is 9. Minus 3
9.
square. You know minus 3 square is minus 3 into minus 3. That is again 9. So it is confirmed. And in the reverse order, when you are given 9 in the reverse mode, what will you get? 3r minus 3. Are you getting? As I have discussed in the start of the class, that the square root of 9 is 3 or minus 3. You see the arrow? 9 square root, this may be 3 or minus 3. You know, this 3 square is again 9, minus 3 square is again 9, it giving you the original number. So that's why we say this 3 is the square root of that 9. Okay. So square and square root are reciprocal of each other, opposite of each other. The square of 3 that you see, what is that? 9. Minus 3 square is again 9. So in this way, we say that we are squaring the number. And in the reverse, that is square root. What is the relation between square and square root? I'm asking from Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman. Anybody knows the relation between square and square root? Are you hearing me?
Yes.
Okay, let me check the. Who is there? Faizan says hi. Faizan, answer me. What's the relation between square and square root? Rehan,
Yes.
what's the relation?
Yes.
Relation mean कि स्क्वायर करने से जो नंबर बनता है उसका रिवर्स आपको वापस वही नंबर दे देता है. So this direct is known as square and the reverse one is known as
Square root.
square root. Speak loud a bit. Okay, square and square root are reverse of each other. Here you see the arrow that is direct square, and in the reverse order, the reverse order that is square root. Got it?
Okay.
Your voice is very slow. I think more than slow. And you are not participating.
Sorry, wait.
Okay. This will clear you. Again, you see. Again, you see the square of 4. What is that? Square of 4 means
Square of
4
4
into
two.
4. That is 16.
Yes, 4 the 16.
Yes, and the square of minus 4. That is again, you know, minus 4 into minus 4.
16.
That minus into minus is plus, and 4 4s are
Plus.
Yeah.
yes. Got it?
Yes.
So from 4,
Yes, sir.
4 you are getting 4 and minus 4 you are getting 16. But in the reverse,
Plus 16.
yes, when we take the square root of 16, what will we get? It may be 4 or
4.
minus 4. Yes,
4
yes, yes, yes.
or minus 4.
Because this and direct we check the square, and in the reverse order that is square root. Okay, yeah, similarly check.
सर ये डॉट गलती से लग गया. ये डॉट पे स्क्रीन पे ये डॉट गलती से लग गया मुझसे.
अरे आप लोग स्क्रीन पे लिख दे जाएं, मैं आपको ब्लॉक करके जाता हूं. चलो आप कोई लिख के दे दें. Okay, you know the just in the same way, if you are having a number, suppose that is 8, what will be its square? Square of 8.
8.
Yes, by 8 square we
64.
get 8 into 8. Yes, that
Yes.
is 16. Oh, sorry, 64. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Minus 4 square is again 64. This is in direct way.
Yes.
I'm asking from you the reverse of that. If you take the square root, this is the reverse order. The square root of 64 is
8
square root of 64.
or minus.
That will be 8 or
8
or
or
minus.
positive 8 या
Minus 8.
negative 8.
जबरदस्त नहीं, जबर 11. चलो ओके. जबरदस्त से भी आप लोग अच्छे जा रहे हैं. वेरी गुड. So let me give you the third example. Again, if you are having 10, so its square is like 100, minus 10 square is 100. अब इससे वापस बदला ले रहे हैं. वापस square root of 100. This may be 10 or minus 10.
Or minus 10.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got it. Tell me the percentage. How much you are getting? 1%, 0%, 100%, 95%. Reply now.
Sir, I don't know.
Let me ask from you one by one. My voice is clear or not? Fazan says,
Yes, sir, your voice is clear to me.
Fazan says voice is not clear. I think his voice is not clear.
Sir, I think he must be having internet problems.
There are two methods. There are two methods for finding the square roots. Methods to find square roots. Methods for finding the square roots. There are two methods for finding the square roots. One method is known as prime factorization method. Have you heard about this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I've heard it of
I think this will be
heard about
new
prime
for
factorization,
someone.
but I don't know how to find square root.
Okay, the first one, that is prime factorization method, and the second one, that is division method. Prime factorization method. There are how many methods for finding the square root?
Two.
Two. Yes. The
Prime factorization method, division method.
exactly.
Division method.
Okay. First and 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, like these. These are perfect squares. Because 1 1s are 1,
Yes,
2 2s are 4, 9, 3 3s are 4, 4s are 5, 5s are. Then the next one will be
6. Well,
a number that is in this form. 1 1s are, 2 2s are, 3 3s are, 4 4s are, 5 5s are. Then what comes next?
Sir, 6 are
so
Yes.
36.
Yes,
36.
yes, 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 you are correct. It means the next one that will be here. What?
36.
Next one, that is 36. Yes, yes. And after 36, the very next one.
Sir, wait.
36 and 49.
49.
Yes. And after that,
And 8 8s are 64.
Zabardast. Excellent. Keep it up. Okay, so these numbers are called perfect squares. 1, 4, 9, 16. 81 is perfect square or not?
81?
No, sir. No.
It's not.
What, sir?
81.
No.
No.
Check it. 81. What is 99?
9 9s are 81.
81.
Yes, so it means
9 9s are 81.
so it is a perfect square. Okay, good. 100 is a perfect square or not?
It is.
100 is.
10 tens are exactly. And can you tell me about the next one? After 100, which one will be the perfect square?
Sir, 21.
121.
Yes, means that is the square of 11. Good. I think you got it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me check one if this is a perfect square. Perfect square, you got it, no? Perfect square are those numbers after taking it square, you get a number. For example, 4 square root, that is 2, 9 square root is 3, 16 square root is 2, 25 square root is what?
5.
5. So same is the case here. 1 square root of 1, just put this sign, is 1, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9, and so on. 625, its square root is 25, 900 square root is 30. How will we find? This is not our task now. We will do it just after this. Here, these are, you have to understand that this perfect square we mean, if we multiply this number with itself, that will give you again this. This number with itself again will give you this one. And the same is the case for all of these. Okay.
Yes.
Now find the square root. No, you must have to know this one. The previous one, if you can find that, okay. If not, this is also okay. No problem.
सर मैं बोलूं सर
जी जी.
इसका स्क्वायर रूट 28
28. आप नजूमी हो? Okay. Good. Very good. But the method, this is the example for the prime factorization method. By prime factorization, we mean when we multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7, this will give you again this number. But how will we find this one? This is again a task.
Sir, by division.
By division, yes.
By dividing 784, we will divide by 2.
Okay. Just this one. Take the number of which you are finding the square root. Take that number of which you are finding the square root. So this is. So check it. The last one is 4. So you know 4 is divisible by 2. Can you do? Yes, this 4 is divisible by 2. So just write these lines like this, and this. So first we took 2. So 2 3s are 6. So 1 will go there. So this becomes 18. 2 9s are 18 and 2 2s are 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We are having 10 minutes.
Yes,
so
sir.
just complete this question. How will we do to? Oh, sorry.
8 minutes, sir.
We will work on it tomorrow as well, but today just a summary. 2 2 3 are 6 here, but 1 will go there. That becomes 18. 2 9s are 18, and there is 4. Just divide that. 2 2s are 4. Again, this number by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. So here that is 3.
2 5s are 10
Yes, 1 will go there. So that becomes 19. So 2 9s are 18.
2 4
Yes, 2 9s are 18. 1 again will go there. So that becomes 12. 2 6 are 12. It is done. Now again, 2 9s are 18. 1 will go to the 6 and that becomes 16. So 2 8s are 16. It is done. Now again, 2 4s are 8. 1 will move to the 18.
2 9s are 18 और 2 उसको गया
18. Yes, and you know this is not divisible by 2. We can do it only by 7 7s are. Okay, so now you did that. You divide this 728 by 2, okay, then 2, okay, again 2, okay, 2, okay, and then 2 sevens, 7 and 7. What we are, can you write this? 2, how many 2s are there? 2. So this means 2 power 2.
4.
This means 2 power 2. And 7 into 7 means 7 power 2. 7 power 2 means number of 7s are 2 there. 2, how many? 2. 2, how many? 2. 7, there are again 2. Now, in the question, we have to find square root of it. Square root of it. So its square root will be square root on this side, and write this as it is. And you know, this square,
Sir,
yes, yes,
square root will cancel the squares.
yes. So you know, this square and square root are reciprocal, opposite of each other, so they will cancel each other. So just write square root on it separate, on it separate, 7 separate. So this will cancel, this will cancel, this will cancel. This is 2, that is 2, that is 2. So 2 into 2 into 7, the last one. So this becomes what? 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. So it means the square root of 784 is, its square root is
28.
28.
28.
We will do this in the next lecture, next class again. Let me take your attendance.
सर जल्दी जल्दी ले, अभी
sir.
टाइम खत्म हो जाता है फिर वो करते.
Okay. What here is who? There are only 8 students. I think it was 9. Who left?
Sir, there are 8. 1 are you.
9. Yes, 8 students are there. Who? It was 10 there. 1.
Adif has left.
Okay, should we wait? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Sir, I don't think he's coming back.
जी मैं जा सकता हूँ.
Okay, attendance is
सर
yes. Yes,
सर
yes.
जल्दी ले ना, फिर वो टाइम खत्म होता है.
हो गया, मैंने वो attendance ले लिया.
अच्छा
Today
सर छुट्टी करे छुट्टी.
is 21:05 and your
Yes,
class
sir.
Yes.
is at R. Sorry, 6B.
No, 7.
Sorry, 7B.
7B.
Yes, yes, you are.
7.
Yes. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Bye
सर
bye.
जी क्लास नहीं ऐड करते बस.
Bye bye.